What's up, guys? SlopWebflow here. I wanted to do a video to show you guys how to install BLACKFIRE'S mod 1.3, which is still the latest one that is out, with Origin, as because I already made a video about it on Steam and stuff. So I'm going to show you on the Origin version, which is pretty much the same as Steam, just their version. So you're going to come to this website and you're going to download right here. Download BLACKFIRE'S mod Ultimate for Crysis 1. When you click it, you're going to see here, you're going to download it. Once you download that, you are going to see this. You're going to double click it. All right, you're going to hit yes, you're going to hit next, and you're going to hit next. Now, this is the important thing. You have to install this to where your game is hiding. All right, so wherever the game is where you're going to install it. So for me, it's in my F drive. So I'm going to get out of this for a second, and I'm going to show you how this works. So I have it in my F drive. So I'm going to go in here, Programs 86, Origin Games. Here's Crysis. I already installed it. When you install it, you're going to see mods. BFMU. That means the mod is installed. Once you did that, you're on your way. All right, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to open up Origin. As you see, Crysis. You're going to go to Game Property Options. And you're going to do exactly this, to the T, little dash, MOD, space, capital BFMU. Hit save. When you do that, you are done. Don't look at that. It's so stupid on the way. It keeps doing that. So I'm going to show you right now how it goes, and I'm going to show you how you installed it properly. Very easy to do. You just got to install it into the folder where the game is. You don't have to go deep into it, into the different folders. All right? So let's show you. And then I'm going to show you how when it installs properly what it looks like. Let's get out of these screens and show you. So that's the simple thing to it, bros. Once you know where your folder is and you install it, that's it. So you're going to go into the Crysis folder and that's it. If you see right here on the bottom, BLACKFIRE'S mod Ultimate 1.3, that means it installed. If you don't see that, it did not install correctly. Let me go in here for a second and show you how it is. You'll see right there how different it looks. I'm doing this so you could see it all, how to do it. Push any key. And the game's launching as we speak. And here is BLACKFIRE'S mod running. What's up, my buddy? He's a little constipated.